Hello, my name is Robert Merkel. In this video, we'll be going over the case. In this case, there is on the front power reset button, 2 audio jacks, USB, and a eSATA port. On the top, there is a pre-installed fan for cooling, as well as on the back. On the bottom, you have this nice feature for cleaning out your power supply. All you have to do is pull this out, and you can clear out the dust. It's pretty nice in keeping your computer clean and running smooth. On the side, you have 2 options for fans. You can put 2 extra fans for cooling. Now we're going to go on the inside of the case. To do that, you unscrew these 4 screws. It slides right off. Okay. This is what the inside of the case looks like. These are cables for the fans to get power. And these are cables for all the front USBs to work fans as well. These are used right here, and these are used to put in extra hard drives and stuff like that, as well as there's a speaker for the desktop if you do not actually have a speaker. The screws that are included, these gold ones right here, are they're called standoff screws, and that is for your motherboard. That way it is not touching the metal. And what you do is you put these standoff screws in all these locations. Just first screw it in with your hand and then tighten it up. You're going to want to put them in all of these holes. That way the motherboard stands off of your case and does not have an electrostatic discharge and ruin your motherboard. There's 2 different types of screws other than that. These screws will be used to install your motherboard as well as your power supply. And these screws will be used for any hard drives or anything like that. Prior to putting in your motherboard, you're going to want to put all of these gold screws in, the standoff screws. And in my next video, I'll show all these screwed in as well as installation of the motherboard.